Hey Ethan, I'm looking to sell my car. What do you think I should upgrade to make it look better?
The shift knob.
The shift knob?
Yes.
Why? What's wrong with it?
It looks like worn out zombie toenails.
Worn out zombie toenails? Why? Just because the chrome's all worn off and it's all scratched up and looks all like zombie toenails?
Yes.
All right, let's show them a carbon fiber one I recently picked up. How does that sound?
Amazing. Hopefully way better than this.
All right, let's do it. What is up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning into another video. I've had my Lexus IS300 for basically 18 years now, and I'm trying to clean it up to sell it. This old shift knob is looking super crusty and worn out, so it is one part of the car that I wanted to upgrade before selling it. The OEM shift knob is pretty expensive, of course, so I went online to find something that looked good and went well with the car. I eventually stumbled upon this carbon fiber shift knob, and I think it is going to look awesome once installed. What is amazing about this shift knob, besides the roughly $20 price tag, is it is covered with genuine carbon fiber. It is not covered in a cheap looking carbon fiber look. The bottom ring is made up of an aircraft quality aluminum. The knob is also finished with a UV resistant clear coat that is polished to a high luster shine. I'll have links to this shift knob and some other similar ones linked below. If you use these links, I'd greatly appreciate it. I'll get a few pennies on the dollar, which helps me out with making these videos, and it doesn't cost you anything extra. Now, before I open the shift knob, let me give you a few more specs. The height is 2.25 inches, which is also 6.5 centimeters. The diameter is 1.9 inches, which equates to 5 centimeters. The shift knob itself supports thread diameters of 8, 10, and 12 millimeters via adapters. So make sure your car can utilize one of these sizes before you purchase it. The weight of the shift knob itself is 200 grams. I'll show you how you use these adapters during the unboxing. Alright, so we got the shift knob here, so let's go ahead and get it open. So here we have the shift knob itself. It's nice to see how well they've wrapped it. You can see they've taken great care to make sure it doesn't get scratched in the packaging and everything. So here you can see exactly how shiny it is and that it's real carbon fiber. So it's super nice for the price. Alright, so here are all the parts that came with the shift knob. You can see that it actually came with 4 adapters instead of 3 like it said on the box. I think we have an 8, a 10, an 11, and a 12 millimeter adapter. To install it, what you're going to do is first take the actual shift knob and unscrew the ring from the bottom of it. Next, we'll put the right adapter inside. Based on the diameter of your shifter, you'll want to choose the one that expands the least but provides a decent grip. And that's this one for my car. Now we'll go ahead and get all of the Allen screws started. Use the Allen wrench to get it a little bit tighter. But I don't want to push in this adapter yet. You may want to use Loctite on these actual screws to help keep them in place. Now what I'm going to do is go to my car and take this ring and put it on the shifter. Then I'll get the shift knob started onto the shifter and screw the screws nice and tight. And then put the ring onto the shift knob and screw it all the way down. When you install the adapter as well, make sure you get it pushed all the way inside the shift knob. I just took a pencil and pressed really hard and got it all the way in there. Now, whenever you get a shift knob, you got to make sure it's going to fit your shifter right. And you can see this one goes to a depth of around 30 millimeters or 1.1815 inches or 1 1/23 of an inch. Also, make sure the overall size of the shift knob is what you're looking for in terms of the diameter and the height. I just wanted to show you guys again how impressed I am with the quality of this shift knob. You can see the real carbon fiber and it just looks so nice. I'm very impressed with the quality. The outside of it is smooth and it feels just overall really solid. I'm very impressed. And this aluminum ring on the bottom, it's got a good weight to it. It just feels nice and like it's a high quality piece. So overall, I'm just blown away for the quality that you're getting for around $20. I'm just very impressed. Okay, it's time for the install, so let's get to it. So I'm going to begin by taking off my old crusty one. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the bottom aluminum ring on. Now I'm going to start screwing this new shift knob on. There we go. Just want to make sure I'm onto the threads, which I am. Now I'm going to take the Allen wrench and start tightening the Allen screws. The goal is to get the rubber screws to bite into the rubber adapter, but not screw it in too far to where it's hitting the actual shifter. So there's one. There's two. Maybe a little too tight there. There we go. That feels pretty snug. So I'm going to go ahead and screw the bottom aluminum piece on. There we go. I'm going to tighten down the shift knob itself. I think we've got it to the bottom. So I'm just going to line it up with the carbon fiber pattern. And there we go. Now when I want to take it off, I'm just going to unscrew it. And you can see it's coming right off. Here is the shift knob installed. It definitely has improved the look of the car's interior and I'm super happy with it. And installed easily and it feels great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider using the links below. I love helping people out, so please comment below with any questions you have. Please subscribe and have a great day. Peace.